A few years ago, people talked about artificial intelligence as something in the future. Today, in 2025, it's already a normal part of work for millions of people. AI can write, draw, translate, analyze, plan, and even generate new ideas. It's used in education, marketing, healthcare, and law. And it's reshaping who does what kind of work. According to the World Economic Forum's 2023 report, by 2027, automation may eliminate 83 million jobs, but at the same time create 69 million new ones, mainly in tech, sustainability, and AI. That means a net loss of 14 million positions, but more importantly, a massive shift in which skills will be needed. IBM's 2023 study adds that 40% of workers will need to retrain or significantly upskill within 3 years, or risk being left behind. So who's most at risk? First are roles with repetitive tasks, little complex decision-making, and clearly defined outputs. This includes administrative assistants, call center operators, copywriters, translators, accountants, and paralegals. Today's generative AI, like ChatGPT, can draft emails, legal briefs, marketing copy, and reports in minutes, tasks that once took humans hours. What about robots? Physical automation is advancing in manufacturing, logistics, and warehousing. Amazon already operates over 750,000 robotic units to handle packing and sorting. In auto factories, robots weld, paint, and inspect. In China, restaurants are piloting fully robotic kitchens and service. Robots deliver higher precision, lower error rates, and 24/7 uptime. Yet not every role can be replaced. AI still can't grasp deep context, feel emotions, resolve ethical dilemmas, or originate truly novel ideas. The human advantage remains clear. Those who learn to use AI as a tool rather than fight it will win. Who stands to gain? AI specialists and prompt engineers, hybrid creatives, a designer using Midjourney, a copywriter mastering GPT, data analysts, UX experts, and strategists, people who guide the AI, not just consume its output, consultants who integrate AI into business processes. Real-world examples prove it. A Czech fintech reduced its back-office staff by 60% after AI took over reporting and invoice processing. One Prague agency tripled revenues by weaving AI into every creative workflow. A German supermarket chain piloting fully robotic warehouses cut errors and costs dramatically. The difference isn't whether AI arrives, it's whether an organization knows how to work with it. What can you do? Start using AI tools today. ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Notion AI, Midjourney, Sora. Ask yourself which parts of your job AI can speed up or improve. Build skills AI can't match: empathy, judgment, critical thinking, and vision. Embrace change as the new normal. Will AI and robots replace us? Some roles, yes, but most will evolve if we adapt. Those who resist will fall behind. Those who embrace AI will gain an edge they never had before. It's not just about what you know, but how quickly you can learn. The world is changing. That change is already underway. The question isn't if, it's will you keep up? Don't forget to subscribe to Almost Fiction.